Hey everybody, it's Lisa G. Just wanted to come at you real quick today and show you a little project I came up with to be made with paint chips. So, we'll just got to pick these up at Lowe's for painting, because I do want to paint my craft room another color, but you know, I haven't decided on it yet. And so, you know, I had a whole bunch picked out, and, you know, this was too dark, and that's too yellow, and I like this color, I like that color, so I just haven't made up my mind yet, but I figured I would use these and make a quick little project. I had been using these to wind ribbon and stuff onto, and yarn that I sold in my Etsy shop a while back, and I, you know, decided not to do an Etsy shop, and I've switched over to the coffee.com, and so, you know, I wanted to repurpose these into something else. But as I was playing with them, I got the idea that I might use the paint chips and make some with the paint chips, and then I can stamp on them and, you know, add words or, you know, whatever I want to do. So I figured I would do those real quick, and I'm just going to draw. I noticed when I put them on here that it pretty much lines up with that line on the paint chip. Okay, get my pencil here and just draw the outline there. And then just go back with my scissors and cut it out real quick. Easy peasy. And I liked having that on there, so I figured why not. And then we can use these and we can make little houses with them later. And these can even be roofs. And there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do all these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out all my shapes, and I'm gonna go back and add some fibers to them, and basically the idea is to create these little guys so that I can share them with people and add them to Happy Mail. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and add a little bit. I usually try to do about 9 feet-ish, 10 sometimes, depending on whether it's real thin or not. Okay. And then when I do my card, so we're going to put this on this one. When I do my card, I just go ahead and I cut a slit right here in this edge. And I flip it around and I do the same coming from the opposite edge. And then I just hold it at the back, like so, and kind of wedge it down in there. And then just start winding. And wind it all up on the card. And I love making these little fiber cards. They're just, you know, they're super cute and they go a long way, and you can just do all kinds of stuff with them. They make great little tag ties at the end, and, you know, just all kinds of things. And I like that it's variegated, and, you know, all the different colors go together really well. So then when you get to the end, you just tuck that one behind over here, and then let your little end stick out so they know where the end is. There we go. Like so. And then we can also, you know, stamp the top of it, or, you know, I can write my, you know, coffee.com address on there, or whatever I intend to do. Let's see. Let's do, yeah, we'll do this one over here. I like these little flag ones. They're so cute. Isn't that adorable? And it's different colors, so it's just a lovely little yarn. So very cute. And again, we're going to do a little slit here. And here. And so all of these will be available for sale in my coffee shop. Sometimes I will, you know, pop them into a mystery box. Sometimes I pop them into a Happy Mail. And I just, you know, I just like making up little bits and things that, you know, can be used. There we go. And then if I have sort of a long tail, I take the end of it, and I take my needle, and I just kind of try to push it up in there like so, and leave the tail hanging out so that they can see it. And then we'll do this one, if I can find the end. Oh, that was lucky. All right, let's see. 2, 3. All right. And that'll be all of those that we do this evening. All right. And of course, you know, with these feathery ones, it's kind of tricky to find the end. So I always try to make it rather obvious where the end is on these, as much as possible. So I do leave a longer than usual tail, and then I'll kind of tuck it in there. And just a little, and leave the tail sticking out. Excuse me. And there you go. So we've got little goodies ready for Happy Mail. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I hope you'll come back and see us again. And I do hope you will take the time to hit the subscribe button and come back and see us again. Y'all have a great day. Good night.